Hey guys, today I'm gonna fillet a salmon or cut up a salmon to make sashimi, but also to make another salmon dish. So I'm just gonna cut up the salmon and show you how I do that. First, I have a whole salmon. What we usually do is that we buy an entire salmon and cut it up and freeze the parts for a certain amount of time. And then we just pull out pieces of salmon when we want to use it for sushi or for other things. And the process of freezing kills all the bacteria or anything bad that could be in it. But it's important to freeze for like a week or 10 days or even more to make sure that nothing bad's in it. Anyway, here's how I do it. Sorry if you can't see me, but this is how I'm filming. I have a plate here where I'm going to put the rest of the salmon. I can only use half of this because it's a really big piece actually. I don't know how many kilograms of salmon this is, but it's a really big piece. So I am not a professional, but there is this bone here and I'm actually just going to go around it like that, but from this side. So I stick the knife in, you can see it, and I'm going just around the bones, and the same the other way. Then I'm going to open it, and it's like that. So I didn't do this part good. This is okay. Yeah. That is a piece I could use. And that is a piece I could use. Okay? I'm going to cut off the part at the end which has a lot of fat on it. And there's actually a piece of bone right here too. But from here, and from here, I'm going under between the meat and the skin and taking off the meat of the salmon. To make it easier. See? Maybe I can put it here. I don't know if you can see better there. But no, you can't. You can't see better. Here there are some bones, so you can take out along here. There are a few pieces of bones that you can take out. Okay, this is what it looks like when I've cut it up and got all the meat out. And I've kind of done it in chunks, and that's usually how I do it, because like this I can now slice them into pieces of sashimi, or I could sear it, or I could cut them in little pieces and put them in the rice cooker and make a kind of risotto with it. It's like a kind of Japanese dish actually. Yeah, so that's what I do. That's how I fillet the fish. And just a reminder that I had already scaled, like taken off all the scales of the fish, basically by holding the fish and going like that against the scales. It removes all the scales, and that's it.